iqamatil amn. I would like to tell you, brothers and no sisters here, but generally we say brothers and sisters. Brothers, first of all we have to decide what is the Salafism, and everyone knows that. But the topic is given me to address the community, not you. You are scholars, you know that. But I would like to tell you, Salafism means Quran, Sunnah, and our Sahaba, Tabi'in, Aimma Arba. What do you think? Our Quran, our Hadith, our Aimma Arba, our Salaf in the 1st century, 2nd century, 3rd century, they ask us to make mischief in this dunya, to do the fasad in the dunya. Do you think that? Our Quran, our Hadith, impossible. So that is the Quran and the Sunnah and the Salaf, Aimma Arba. Always, these people, they want to establish the real deen. So that is the real deen. Our deen never asked for any mischief, for any terrorism, for any, that killing or any mischief in the world. It is impossible. So our deen, that is the Salafism. Why we say Salafism? You know that because there are a lot of groups in the Muslim Ummah. That time we say that we are Salafi to follow the true Quran and the Sunnah. That is why the word came. First thing. Second thing, when we say Salafism, so after some time there was a lot of groups in the Muslim Ummah, and you know that the groups is based on the Aqidah. So Salafism means sound, true, correct belief system, Aqidah system. Why our Aqidah belief, our belief, true belief, why Aqidah as-Sahiha brings the peace in the world? Why it brings? First of all, no religion in the world, it says all the human beings are equal. Only Islam says. So that is why we bring the peace. When we say all are equal, in akramakum indallahi atqakum, there is no fight, no priorities. First thing. Second thing, for example, our Islam says adal insaf. لا يجرمنكم شنآن قوم على ألا تعدلوا. These are the principles which is related to the Aqidah. So you can explain a lot. Generally, our scholars, when they say Aqidah brings, they don't explain it. You explain it. What is the Aqidah? This is the Aqidah. When you say justice, when you say equality, when you say rights, that brings the peace. Second point. Third point, we follow the Sunnah. Salafism means only Sunnah of the Prophet ﷺ and the Sahaba, and their method, and their way, and their manhaj, and their understanding. Okay? This is established reality. مَبْتَدَعَ قَوْمٌ بِدْعَةً إِلَّا وَاسْتَحَلُّوا السَّيْفِ. تعرفون? Do you know that? These people, this is the principle. When we leave the Sunnah, what happened? It start fighting and killing. That is the mischief. So Salafism brings the peace. How? Imam Abu Qilaba rahimahullah, he mentioned, and the explanation is that when the people, they make the groupism, you see the Mu'tazila, they gave the fatwa of getting out or rebelling against the government. Rawafid, whole history of the Rawafid is full of mischief because they go against the establishing government. So according to the Sunnah, when we follow the Sunnah, Sunnah is clearly demanding the Muslim Ummah that you don't kill the Muslims and don't do anything, for example, rebelling against the government that leads for the mischief. So that is why Salafism bring the Sunnah, bring the peace if you follow the Sunnah. Second point, we can go for a lot of guidance in the Sunnah of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. For example, Salli wa alayhi fisquh. Salli wa alayhi fisquh. Ati amirak wa in akhadha malak wa zaraba zahrak. This is Sunnah. So, except Salafis, nobody follows these kinds of the Sunnah. That is why always it is a mischief. It is fasad in the world. No peace will come except if you follow the ruling of the Salafism. Second thing. Third thing, the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam clearly asked the Muslim Ummah that they should be patient whenever there is a problems. Whenever there is a problem in the community, in the society, there should be patience. They should not remove any evil with the greater evil. You know the evidence of Imam Ibn Taymiyyah rahmatullah alayh. The Imam Ibn Taymiyyah, his students were following by those Turks who was doing something. Imam Ibn Taymiyyah said, leave them in the drunkenness, that is in the sukur. Why? If they wake up, they will kill the people. Anyway, brothers, I would like to tell you, I mentioned little bit four examples of following the Quran and the Sunnah that bring the peace. So, if you follow whole Quran and the Sunnah, automatically it will be peace in the whole world. Jazakumullah khair. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
जज़ाकुमुल्लाह खैरन। इस प्रोग्राम के अगले ख़तीब हैं